It's Saturday, April 21st, 2018, 1:24 p.m. Arizona time. We're at Lake Havasu City, Arizona. I'm standing underneath the London Bridge. This is one of the boats on display today. We're having what's known as Desert Storm Run. The twin of this on the other side of the bridge heading towards it down the channel. I'm bouncing up and down. Let me get my hand against something here. There's hundreds of boats. Our friend Penny from Site 105, Havasu Landing RV Casino, rented a boat from the company down there. It's called Champion. I'm not going to be able to get that boat in this picture from this angle. Let's off here. Zoom in on it. Right down there. And we were on a pontoon boat for maybe a half hour, heading south through this channel under the London Bridge. And I got pulled over by the sheriff's department for making a wake. I don't know how much the fine is going to be, but I've seen signs $250. We weren't allowed to go out into the lake heading north because of the race boats. Some of them were doing over 100 miles an hour. I thought it was past the buoys, but turned out that we were inside the buoys of no wake zone. That's it for this one.